Hello and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do that right now so you don't forget. And I'm going to show you guys how to do a messy bun top knot with short hair. So if you saw my braid tutorial, then you saw that I have an undercut. So let me flip around here and just give you a little glimpse of that. So this has been a lifesaver with short hair because I'm just gonna get my hair prepped while I'm talking to you guys. But the problem with short hair and putting it up is the fact that everything falls out back there, right? So having that undercut, the reason I actually got it done was because I have fine hair, but I have so much of it and it just drove me nuts sitting on my neck. So having that undercut has been so amazing, not only for that, but to still be able to do styles like this with short hair. So it's like the best of both worlds because I love short hair. It's fun and it's sporty and it's sassy, but then I can also do the stuff that I could do when my hair was long. So I can pull it back, I can do braids, I can do this top knot. And I'm gonna have to use a little more bobby pins in the back than I normally would if my hair was longer, but that's okay. You wanna go with dirty hair, or I like to do it after my hair has been curled. So not only do I have product in it, I did wash my hair last night, but I've got product in it from it being curled and I've got volume, and that's what I want. I don't like to do a top knot with clean hair because my hair being fine, it doesn't have the volume that I need. So the first thing I'm gonna do is grab my fine tooth comb here, but I'll show you, I'll do just a little bit. So I use the fine tooth comb for creating a little bit of volume, and maybe I'll just do a little at the crown. So I'm just gonna grab this little section here and just back comb it a little bit, and then I do the sides right here just slightly because I like to have a lot of volume in this area of my hair. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just take this small section here and I'm gonna grab one of my clear elastics and just wrap it around twice here. So this is gonna help get that volume right here in the front that I want. But I'm gonna put that back into my messy bun as well. So I love volume here, and then I'll piece out some of the top when I get to that point. So now just grabbing section by section here and running my nails through it. If you don't have nails, you might wanna grab a wide tooth comb like this one to get all of your hair up in a ponytail. So I'm gonna grab everything that I can and take it as high as I can without a bunch of stuff falling out. So grabbing all of this, and again, I don't want to use the fine tooth comb for this because I want it to be messy. I don't want it to look like I actually combed it out. So then I'm gonna grab one of my other elastics and just do a really, really high pony with this. I'm actually gonna start pulling out some of the hair right now. So I'll pull a little bit more and shape it once I get everything up in that bun. But just to make it a little bit easier, I'm gonna start doing that now so I get that shape that I want. And then I'm going to kind of disperse this hair around that ponytail. So it's kind of like a fountain, and you'll notice I've got some falling back here. So that's what I'm gonna have to pin, and I'm not worried about that too much right now. But I just want this all around my head. And then I'm gonna grab another clear elastic. So I like these ones. This is just from Sally. You could do this with any elastic that you want to use, really. I just like these ones because they don't show and it helps me manipulate the hair a little bit better. All I did was put that elastic around that area up top that I just made like a fountain and a really high ponytail. And you guys, I'm not a hairdresser, so you will not get any technical terms from me whatsoever. This is just stuff that I've either learned from other people or I've played around with myself, and I'm showing to you. So we've got all of this hair here, which is fine, and I've got this stuff that I'm gonna need to pin up in the back, which is totally fine. But I'm pulling this out up top. And you could either leave it like this and have these pieces hanging out. You could bobby pin these, or so this would just be like a really quick daytime bun, right? If you want to kind of transition it to night, let me get these pieces in the back pinned up real quick. So I'm just using these bobby pins that are a similar color to my hair, and if you wanted to get a little more crafty back there, you could use like a matte black bobby pin, or you could and do like an X pattern in the back. You're just gonna kind of have to feel around back there. But these I just got from Sally's too, but these are super strong ones, so it's not the weak bobby pins that are really like, they're more flimsy. These ones are a little bit stronger. I like them better for holding all day and not worrying about them falling out or slipping or anything like that. So I've got these pinned, and I'm going to pull it down just a little in the back. And then if you wanted to, you can pull some of these hairs out here just for a little more relaxed, casual look. You could do this beforehand if you want to have a little bit more hair pulled out. I kind of just like these like little flyaways hanging out, so it looks more natural there and a little bit messier, you know? Oh, I could totally leave it like this and be good to go and just leave these hanging out, and you could piece them or you could pin them, whatever you want to do. If you want to transition it to night and have a little bit more of a like a date night, like fun, flirty look, then just grab a couple more bobby pins, and you're gonna take the side that's angled up here, so not the flat edge, and just kind of grab little pieces and pin that little pieces of the bun and bring it down and pin it against your head. And so if I'm gonna do that, I don't want as much hair hanging out here. And we'll, went a little tight with that one. But what this is doing is hiding that elastic a little bit more. Okay, so you don't wanna grab a lot of hair. I gotta look in the mirror. Just grabbing little pieces and bringing that down and pinning it to the head a little bit more. So it makes it more of like a full bun there, and then we'll piece it out a little bit more as we go too. So just doing that all the way around, and I like to leave some pieces hanging out from the bottom here. I like a messy look that's not super put together, but you can still do that and have it fun and flirty and romantic too. I've got all of those tucked there, and that hides the elastic a little bit more, which you can see. So you can see it from the back here. And I want a little bit more volume in this area, so I'm gonna just pull that out a little bit. So make sure that you're holding at the base when you're loosening up the hair up here, so that it's not pulling everything out that you did up here. It's loose. Okay, and then you can do a little bit more, pull a little bit more hair out on the sides. This one's kind of wonky because I had my hair curled, so that is easy just to take a flat iron to straighten it out so it's more like this piece over here. But with my hair, this haircut, I don't have any layers, which really helps too with doing these updos with short hair. So the undercut and not having the layers, because I don't have, because all of this right here around my face is just as long as the rest, and so it's easier to pull it up like that. So then you could just take a little bit of hairspray if you want to just make sure the sides keep their volume. I got my flat iron here, so I'm just going to straighten these little pieces here that were curled since I went from curly to this. Okay, so super fun, super flirty, super easy. Which is my favorite kind of hairstyle. And again, this is great for second or third day hair. It works better with dirty hair so that it's not so fine and isn't falling flat. And it was easy to pin with the bobby pins in the back. So I'm telling you guys, I know that the undercut seems really, really scary, but I have not regretted it. I was worried about doing that because it has to grow back out, but I don't know if I'll ever not have that. Even if my hair is long, it's just so nice. And I live in such a hot climate that it's not even an issue. So I hope you guys are able to recreate that super easy. It is such an easy hairstyle, and you just need a few clear elastics. Oh, I forgot, you could even do, so this fun little thing I found on American Eagle, which a lot of scrunchies have these little bows and bandanas on them too. I could just pop right over everything I just did on top. That's fun. I think I'm not gonna keep that on today, but I do like it. So I just brought it over the top of the bun there, but I'm gonna take that off and just leave it messy. Today, super easy. Make sure that you guys subscribe so you don't miss more hair and makeup tutorials. And I know that it drives people crazy when I do vertical videos, but I do a lot over on Instagram too. So I'm over there at Christina_Goldsmith, and it just works better for me to be able to do the vertical videos, and I try to get rid of the black bars on the side in YouTube for you guys because I know that that's annoying. But thank you for bearing with me on that because it just makes my life easier to be able to post it everywhere that I am. So have fun with it, and if you've been wanting to cut your hair, don't be afraid to do it. It's a lot of fun. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Leave comments below, leave a thumbs up on the video, subscribe so you don't miss any more, and follow me on Instagram if you're not over there yet, Christina_Goldsmith. Bye guys.